Welcome to qnawire.
Given below is the distribution of repair times as recorded for 550 repairs. So you need help with the total determine the average repair time in hours, the average number of repairs per day for 24 hours. So this is how I'm reading it. House 1 took 110, say, minutes. House 2, 165 minutes. House 3, 165 minutes. House 4, 85 minutes. House 5, 25 minutes. So when you add all these up, you get the total 550, and there's a total of 5 houses. So the average repair time in hours, first of all, is 110 minutes, which equals 1 hour and 50 minutes. So that is 1 hour and 50 minutes, or you can say 1 and 5/6 hours. The average number of repairs per day in 24 hours. So you're going to take 24 and divide it by 1 and 5/6. And that would be equal to 13 and 1/11 repairs every 24 hours. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.